Hi, it's Life Ops, and as you can see behind me, it's that time of year, Christmas. Also, today's topic, healthcare. Usually this time of year, places where you work and what have you, open enrollment for healthcare. As you probably know, healthcare is becoming very and very expensive. It all allows a lot of turmoil with Congress, what have you, on the costs of healthcare. So what I want you to do, watch the following video, is because there's this company that's offering full coverage of healthcare at a very, very low price. We're talking telemedicine, dental, psychological, weight loss, you name it, they have it. And the service is incredible. So again, thank you for watching this video. And if you're interested, there's going to be a link at the end which you can click to get up and running, because you're going to be amazed the cost actually reduced for full coverage of healthcare. Okay, to my next video. Have a blessed day.
To promote this into the largest consumer economy in the world, which is the United States. And so the final components of this are happening. And then and so for those of you that are with the app, you're going to be prompted to download a new version. And that new version is going to have all types of share links and all the new reporting, and all that will be available this week. So I was hoping to have it live here. I didn't want to delay the announcement of this promotion, and but this will be happening now. So reserve your app sharing until this goes live, and you get the new version there. I believe that if we start sharing the app, it'll still be here and be reporting, but I just want to make sure that it's there and showing on all the tools. But this is big news, and I'm going to be working this into our presentations. So if you get your people together for Wednesday night, we're also testing a new platform for webinars that will be coming out. What we've done here on Zoom is great. We've got a new webinar platform that I'm really excited about, and we'll be turning all that live. So just continual developments over here, including our health program. So inside the back office, you can now find a new section for Save Club Health. So I'm going to share with you guys what that looks like in the back office. That's right here. So right here, oh, here's just a random, I'm sorry, I'm missing a random account here, but inside the back office, you'll see this piece here for Save Club Health. We've got a video that explains what the program is, and then you're able to access the page through here, where you can get access to all of these health benefits from dental, vision, primary care, all available here inside your back office. There we go. So the Manifex RX is over 1,000 prescriptions for free. And then all the other prescriptions discounted, directly linked up to top tier compounding pharmacies where they've got the best, either free prescriptions or dramatically discounted. The Recuro healthcare plan. This is your primary care doctor. This is your telemedicine, the psychiatry, all of that. So if you need help accessing a prescription, getting prescribed something, or you just need mental health work, or you've got an issue, Dave's going to explain a little bit about how he's using this product. Dental, imaging, vision, dramatic savings on contact lenses. Here's additional card benefits here for discounted prescriptions. Lab testing, when you're part of this, you also get an at-home lab test, so that you can that's good for 2 people, so you can do some work at a check-in there, and that's one that you can mail in. But there's also full-on lab testing. I went over to The LabCorp did a full blood panel using this, got great savings. Your diabetic supplies, all this. Hearing, there's additional travel and additional deals, and all of this is up to you plus 5 dependents for $49.97. So this plan anywhere else is like $80 to $250 a month, and it's worth it because just what's here. I was able to contract with these guys, get us the absolutely lowest price, and just pass it straight to the Save Club members. So this is now available. Let me just show you one more time in the back office where you can find it. You click on home. You just scroll down. Look, we just keep adding more and more stuff back here. And then you click here on Save Club Health, and that gets you into here. So while I'm here, I'm going to reload this so I can play this video for you too. I don't think many of you know about this yet. We released it, but I'll play this video again. Let's just make sure. What are you guys seeing? You seeing this video? Nope. Hold on. There we go.
Most families today are getting destroyed by healthcare costs. You know it. I know it. One ER visit, one dental emergency, one prescription refill, and your wallet's gone. So let's flip that on its head. With Save Club, you don't just get discounts. You get an entire benefit stack that covers the everyday reality of staying healthy. For your whole family. For less than what others charge a single individual. Here's what's in the stack for $49.97 a month. Health. Affordable, on-demand care when life happens. Dental. Stop paying full price for checkups, emergencies, or procedures. Vision. Glasses, contacts, and eye health for a fraction of retail. Diagnostic imaging and lab testing. Skip the $500 bill for blood work or scans. Hearing, diabetic supplies, durable medical equipment. It's all there. Travel perks and lifestyle deals. Because healthcare savings aren't the only savings that matter. But here's the knockout punch. Manifest RX. Over 1,000 maintenance prescriptions, plus 70 urgent care medications, all for $0 at the counter. Free. Anywhere in the US, at over 70,000 pharmacies or delivered to your door. Most providers will bill you hundreds for this alone. Most families can't even afford to fill all their prescriptions. We removed the guesswork, we killed the middleman markup, and we built it so you pay nothing. Now compare. Most big name plans can cost $400 to $800 a month per person. We cover your entire household for $49.97. So the question isn't, can you afford Save Club? The question is, why are you still overpaying for less? This is about protecting your family without breaking the bank. $49.97 per month. Cancel anytime. Get more. Pay less.
Yeah, so the key thing here, this services people here that are underinsured or have no insurance or just have trouble reaching a provider or need telemedicine. I've got one of our graphic designers. He's a veteran and he uses the VA, and just the service he gets through the VA is just atrocious. And if he wants to go see a primary care doctor, it sometimes takes weeks or months to get in there. And then here's a nice, easy, direct solution. So just one more thing here where we've got, great value coming, and that's available once you're a Save Club member. For $19.97, you're able to access the Save Club Health at that deep discount, and then that's an add-on. That's a $49 a month add-on. But to get access to this service, again, comparably in getting the Rolls Royce of telemedicine and at-home care. And I told the group, as we set up with the call centers and we set up with the telemedicine group, I let them know. I said, well, your other customers or other people using this are not going to like this, because we're basically undercutting the marketplace, and they're okay because this is the same telemedicine health providing network that supplies major Fortune 100 companies. And so we're getting the same care, the same, telemedicine and primary care doctors as some of the largest corporations in the world. And so either if people try to buy this product directly, they're paying $80 plus. But a lot of the people that use this same service it's part of their health benefits for their full-time employees at big corporations. And so we're at home, we're working independently. Again, many of you are underinsured or have no insurance at all. This is just a solution that could be something you're spending money on. And what we're doing here at Save Club is trying to get everything you could possibly save money on and get you the best deal, so that the $20 a month membership is a complete no-brainer. Dave, you want to talk about what you're going through there and
Yeah.
how this
So
is
guys, I'm actually using this today. I got an appointment at 1 o'clock to talk to a doctor right after this, because I took my dog to get groomed the other day, and I came home and I had this really I don't know if you guys can see, crazy red rash right here on my elbow. It goes all the way down to my wrist here, and itches like crazy. I've been putting hydrocortisone, all kinds of stuff, hasn't really healed up yet. And as you can see, it's shiny. I got stuff on there right now. So I can't wait to talk to a doctor. Sure, insurance, the copays are expensive, number one. Number two, they always charge you a lot of times for the medication I get anyway, and this gives 1,000 meds for free. So they say, hey, you're gonna need this lotion, or you got to take this or whatever. I'm thinking it's probably going to be free, which is going to save me money. And I don't need to leave my house. And they ask me what pharmacy I use. And there's a Walmart pharmacy like literally 2 minutes from my house. And they're like, yep, found it. And they're going to have it right there at the pharmacy. So I talk to the doctor. I tell them what's going on. They say, hey, you're probably going to take this or that. They're going to call it in. And within an hour, I'm going to be able to leave my house, go to Walmart, which I need to pick some stuff up there anyway, grab my script and come home. How convenient is that? And it's for a family plan. It also has dental, vision. I wear contacts. I get my eyes checked all the time. I love buying new glasses. So to have those kind of benefits, I could save hundreds of dollars right there off a pair of frames or the eyes. Same with my kid. My kid likes going to the dentist. I got my son on here so he can go get the dentist. He can go get his checkups. And again, that'll save me a ton of money. So even if you got insurance, adding this, because you can add your whole family to it, can save you on a lot of that stuff that insurance, charges you extra for. And especially it's nice because the urgent care number, by the way, is 24/7 too. So maybe you have a young kid and they wake up at 3 a.m. and they got a fever, right? And you're freaked out, you don't know what to do. How nice is it that you can get on with a doctor at 3 a.m. right at your house? Like, for example, my sister is going through a lot. Her kid was just diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. And she's up all night because his numbers will be way up, way down. And she's always freaking out, not knowing, should we go to the doctor? I don't know. Why is his number so high? Why is his number so low? Drink this juice, do this. And because this is brand new to her, because it just got diagnosed, she's always in freak out mode. She literally is freaking out when he's in the band, and she freaks out when he's on the field. So having access to a doctor 24 hours a day without having to run to one is also a lot of peace of mind for a lot of people. So it's a great benefit, and it's super cheap, everybody. What is it, $1 something a day? I think it's $1.66 a day. One of your medications could probably cost way more than that. So if you want peace of mind, this is just added. Now, you don't have to have it. This is something that, Save Club's just added at a reduced cost, because the membership is designed to save you money in everything you do. Do you need it to be in Save Club? No. Do you need it to make money? No. But it's just one of these benefits that you're getting at cost, and it's a great thing to be a member of. For example, my stepdad too, he had like seizures, some stuff, and he was on a medication. And sometimes it would go up and down. Sometimes it was as high as $900 for I forget, like 2 months worth, $900. And I'm seeing right now if we can actually get that medication for free. He's on Medicare now, but imagine getting that medication for free, how much money that saves somebody. So again, I'm loving it. I'm using it. I got a call at 1 o'clock today. I'll let you guys know how my rash went. So hopefully it goes away.
Yeah. So switching gears here, I've got